Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a surprise outfit for you. We chose for today's videos a cheap outfit under $100, so $85. We spent $85 on the whole outfit. No shoes included. And yeah, I would say we go ahead, check out the bag. So we decided to go to H&M. H&M makes good things. I especially like the pants. And some of the shirts, they're really cool. Let's check what's inside the bag. Just gonna grab in it and see what we get first. So we got the pants, guys. Some nice jeans, black jeans or dark gray. So I think these were $25. That's a really nice price for these. They're skinny jeans, so really cool, and skinny jeans. And I had these pants before too, in a different color, and I've had them for like 2 or 3 years now, and so they're nice quality. They also feel nice when you wear them, and you can't really say anything bad about the pants for their price. So guys, it's not a flex material. It's just skinny jeans. So let's check out what else is in the bag. We have the shirt, guys. So we have like a Mexican skeleton head right here. Don't know what it's called right now. Let me get rid of the price tag. So we paid $8 for this shirt, which is a really nice price for the shirt because I tried it on and it felt very, very nice. And the back graphic, also like the front, but bigger. The color, I really like the color of the shirt. It's really cool, and it's very stretchy too, as you can see right here. And it's a little bit loose for like its size, because I feel like it's very oversized. Say we keep on going. So let's check what else is in the bag. There's only really one thing left. It's the jacket, guys. So I would say this is like an homage to Versace. But a really cool feature is it's a reversible jacket, so it's either completely black or like a Versace pattern. And this is the most expensive item of the outfit. It costs $50. But I mean, it's worth it because it's reversible, and like if you don't want to attract like as many stares, because it's so So like I said, if you don't want as much attention, you can turn it around and it's just completely black. And it's really cool, so you can mix it with a lot of things. Quality wise, it's also really nice. So hold on, before we move on, let me get rid of the price tag again. So what else is in the bag, you might be wondering? We already finished. Well, since the jacket is reversible, we thought we would get a second shirt. So we have just a plain white shirt. It's really cool. Plain white shirt. You can always mix it with a lot of things. And it's good quality. It feels nice when you wear it. And for the price $8, it's really nothing. It's a little long though. As you can see, it's longer, so it goes about like to my mid thigh, but that's okay. So I got it in XS actually, because it was so long in S. But it's a cool shirt overall. Okay guys, let's put it on so you'll see how the whole outfit looks. So guys, before we move on the pants, I have a very sad story today. I ripped my Karl Lagerfeld's pants yesterday, but instead of getting new pants, we decided to turn them into shorts. So these are the Karl Lagerfeld pants I reviewed time ago, and I think they turned out really, really cool. And it's sad, but I think they're cooler than they were before. And yeah, you have to move on. So let's move on in the video and get to the pants. So guys, here's the pants. Look very nice, and I really like the color of the pants. Dark gray or black. You can mix it with lighter colors very well, and they feel very very nice. It's time for the jacket, guys. So I'll get it, and then you can see what it looks like. So guys, here we have the jacket. I'm gonna turn it into the black version of it. Go. So, very feels very nice. Like it's a little chose to be not to be oversized. Because I felt like it didn't look very cool in oversized. This is supposed to be a tight jacket, and I like this might sound weird, but I like the color of the jacket. It's like a different kind of black. It's a little shiny black. So guys, let's check it out how it looks in the Versace colorway. So I also really like this colorway. Versace doesn't really do this anymore. I don't like the new Versace. It's kind of it's like a braggy brand now. But I really like the symbols on it. I think it looks really really cool. You might need something that's also very showy with this jacket, because it's very I don't want to call it crazy necessarily, but it is kind of crazy. So the outfit, since the jacket is reversible, you basically have two different outfits for $85. And the other shirt, again, I have the Mexican shirt. You can also wear it with this outfit, and it looks very nice. So for $85, you have a really really nice outfit. And shoes wise, you can just wear white or a little bit more colorful shoes. And I'd say we actually get some shoes to the outfit. So this side of the outfit, we have some more expensive shoes. But I don't have any other yellow and white looking shoes right now. But these are still very nice. These are called Hechters, or the actual is Hechter. It's a European brand, and they're very high quality. And so I would say we'll try them on so you see what they look like. And then we go ahead to the black side of the outfit. So guys, here we are. I think it looks very nice because it has white, yellow, and a little bit of dirty yellow in the front. So it goes really well with the outfit. And they're also very comfortable shoes. Price of the shoes, guys, is 200 euros. So that the outfit isn't really cheap anymore. But you can for sure find like cheap white and yellow Nike shoes. So let's move on to the black side of the outfit. Even with the black side of the outfit, the yellow shoes are still okay, but the other side is way better for the yellow shoes. For a more sporty look than formal look, I chose the zebras. They're still, so these are $330 I paid for them. So very, very expensive again. But you can also find, cool Nike shoes that are white. And, I just chose these because I thought they would go really, really nice with the outfit. Yeah, so you put them on. So you see what they look like with the outfit. And then we are done. So here you go. I think it looks really nice, sporty. The outfit itself, I think it's really cool. For the price. H&M makes pretty good pants for the outfit. I chose some expensive shoes, but usually you have some white shoes, and black and white always go very well together with each other. So guys, it's absolutely worth it. You don't always need to flex with your clothing. You know, H&M and Zara make really nice clothing. You know, I like Zara more than H&M, but we don't have a Zara near us, sadly. But H&M makes good clothing too. I just like the Zara pants and Zara shirts. You know, I feel like they are better quality than H&M. So, you know, since the outfit is cheaper, you can throw in some one or two expensive items to make it look better. So, the video has come to an end, guys. You know, I hope you enjoyed the videos. You know, if you liked the video, you know, leave a like down, stairs, and I hope to see you next time. Your fashion boy. Stairs.